Do not give the wind an opportunity to take your hair away from you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button before you leave. So I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like before we actually start with the video, before I take it down. So I did 4 braids in front and 2 at the back. That's how I stretched my hair. Immediately after washing my hair, I moisturized it and put it in braids and cornrows so I can wear my wig. Okay, so yes, this is my hair. I've taken it out of the braids. It's a bit tangled up, it's shrunken, it's doing all the things natural hair like to do. Now I'm going to make a middle part. I'm going to be doing 2 cornrows and a puff at the back. I'm not very strong with my cornrows, so however it comes out, you guys should just mind. Do not mind me, okay? So I'm just going to make a part now. Okay, when I'm done with that, I'm going to apply oil because you have to moisturize your hair. I moisturized my hair about 2 days ago, I think. That was when I washed my hair, like 2 days ago. So yeah, so now that I've moisturized it, I'm going to section this part away. I've detangled it. I'm going to start braiding it. My hair feels so soft. With water on it, guys. Always moisturize your hair, okay? So I'm just going to apply some oil once again. And I'm going to start braiding. I'm not 100% sure about my braiding skills, but we move. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I don't think it's the perfect braid, it's just how it is. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Guys, it's so difficult cornrowing your hair, man. You need so much energy and strength and power. This is why I always flat twist my hair. I know some of you guys might wonder why I always flat twist my hair. It's because flat twisting is like the easiest thing to do compared to like cornrows. So that's why I always try to like do hairstyles with flat twist, because braiding or cornrowing your hair can be really stressful and energy draining. But anyways, I'm just trying to do fast hairstyles that you guys can do, or show you guys fast ways to style your hair in case you don't have time. I hope this thing is similar to the first one I made. I hope it matches. And I'm not someone that likes to use gel on my natural hair most of the time, especially when I just washed it. So I'm definitely not going to be the one to use gel. If you are someone who likes to use gel on your natural hair, then this style will be neat. It will be neater if you use gel. So it's your choice, honestly. Nobody's going to beat you if you don't want to use gel, if you use gel. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I don't even know if I measured it right. But oh well, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? So I'm going to try to lay my edges, and then I'm going to tie my hair up so everything settles down, because you have to settle your hair down. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use my Gorilla Snot gel to lay my edges. I'm pretty sure if you know how to lay your edges, I'm pretty sure that's great for you. But for me, I do not know how to lay my edges, so I kind of have to focus and look closely into the mirror. So I'm just going to go do that because I can't do it on camera because I'm not seeing what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so hi guys, so I'm back. I'm done with my makeup, so I'm going to take this down. I'm not having high hope for my edges, but we move. Regardless of how the edges come out, we move. So yes, I'm going to take this out now. This is a situation where I say we move, okay, because I don't know. Okay, we're just going to continue. So what I'm going to use at the back of my hair, because I'm not leaving my hair like that. No, that's not possible. That's not true. Whoever lied to you, tell them that's a lie. So I'm going to take out Sister Puff. Yes, it's Sister Puff I'm going to be using today. So this is Sister Puff. Sister Puff was dead. She was buried underneath the wig stack, or the hair extension stack. So I brought her back and sprayed water on her and try to fluff her up, and this is what she's looking like now. This is the OG Sister Puff, okay? Anyways, I'm going to take my shoelace. Of course, if you've watched how I made Sister Puff, it was the struggle life. But Sister Puff is one of the hair extensions I have that almost matches perfectly with my hair, so yes, why not use it? So I'm going to attach Sister Puff on the 2 strands of braid there. Like, this is a very risky style, but you see those 2 strands of braid at the back of my hair? Yes, that's what I'm going to attach Sister Puff onto. So I'm just going to clip her up. Can you see the difference it makes? Yes, I'm going to clip Sister Puff up like this. So I'm going to be using bobby pins to save the day, of course. You can use as many bobby pins as you want to use until you feel she's very secure, because you have to secure her. You don't want your hair flying in the wind. Like I always say, do not give the wind an opportunity to take your hair away from you. You do not want that. Be wise. I think that's it. Can you see how Sister Puff just upgrades the look? Let me show you guys the back. I really hope you guys can see. I really hope it's neat and I'm not just showing you guys rubbish. This is a very easy 5 to 10 minute hairstyle. If you're late and you don't know what to do with your hair but you want to look really professional and all that, I'm the plug. So it's Sister Puff and 2 braids, the plug, especially when your hair is not so long yet. I try as much as possible to do these hairstyles for those of us that want to do different hairstyles to our natural hair, but we always feel like our hair is not long enough. These are the styles for you, okay? I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye guys.